All right, over here they have another bar area, the Wacky Seagull Jr. They also have a shore excursions area where you can get, over here you can get some kayaks, some paddle boards. If you look out over there, they have the jet skis out there. They also have some more of the cabanas over there with the cabana concierge. Now here is the chill grill, and I know this one is included with your visit here to the island. So if you come here, this is included, so you don't have to worry about paying anything extra. And I believe that's what that one is, the chill grill. All right, so these are going to be your beach warning flags. You know, red flag, the water's closed, medium, low hazard, and then purple is going to be the presence of marine life. So if you see the purple flag and you snorkel, should be lots of, you know, marine life to see. And of course, no stop in the Caribbean is complete without a straw market. So there is an opportunity if you want to purchase anything, get a souvenir from your day at Coco Cay. Now, one thing about the straw market is you do have to bring cash. You cannot use your sign and sale card for purchases in the straw market. But it goes around here in a big old circle. All right, so you have another swimming area here. You can see the skipper's grill is over there. Of course, you have the water slide over there along with Captain Jack's. And of course, there is a bar over here as well. But it does give you another swimming area. All right, so now as we continue back around, we got the second half of the straw market. More restrooms up this way, another little shopping place up there, and then we have some more beach area this way, as well as more shops.